I believe John deserves this award because he's been selling before he even was selling. He's been selling for a long time and just didn't realize it. And now that he's in this role, he has been so instrumental in bringing new accounts in and more. So he definitely deserves this recognition because he has grown so much.
John deserves this award because of his passion to serve others. He gets out there, he meets everybody, he has no problem doing that, he has no problem being involved. He strives to be better for everyone, and you can really tell that when you're around him. Everybody feels that way when they're around him. He's the epitome of a sales professional in Tuscaloosa. He leaves a mark on people, and they will always remember John Letourneau.
John's always been in operations. And when we approached him about taking on a sales role, he laughed at us.
So this award is validation for me. Originally, I was offered the sales position and I laughed. I didn't think that this was something that I could do or that I should be doing, but I saw it as a challenge, so I accepted. And it's very much shown me that if you put in the work and you are dedicated, that you can do anything you set your mind to. And for me, it's shown me that all the work that I've put in has been for something. It's been eye-opening, and it's been a motivational thing just to watch the successes.
You know, I really think what drives John to serve others is just his passion to serve, because customer service comes natural to him. And so when he's in an atmosphere of serving others, it's a natural flow. And I think it's something that is passionate for him and that drives him.